Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. Today, guys, I'm going grocery shopping as a furloughed employee. And let me tell you some of the things that I'm going to pick up at the grocery store today. So today I'm picking up at the grocery store collard greens. I already harvested some of these collard greens and washing them right now in the sink, preparing them to cook. Some other things that I harvested was some of these Scotch bonnet hot peppers from the grocery store. Yes. So that's gonna go into the grocery basket. A couple of other things that is gonna go in the grocery basket today is this bucket full of pomegranates. So we got some pomegranates and some green onions. That's about to go in the greens. Then I got a couple of lemons for some fresh lemonade. And then I got some dragon fruit. So all this is going into the basket for a meal today. That's what I'm gonna be on today. So I just dropped some seeds off at the grocery market, and so that's gonna be for future use when I decide to go to the grocery market again. But today I planted some broccoli and I planted some cabbage for the next time that I need to go to the grocery store. Granted, it's gonna take a little time, but it is what it is. So this is the furloughed employee shopping. And if you guys want to see what's going on with the dragon fruit, I'll add that into the video. If you've made it this far in the video, why haven't you hit that like, share, and subscribe button yet? It's free. It's your Cali Bro J. You know the motto on the page. Each one teach one. And now let's continue with the video. Peace. For those who are truly affected by the government shutdown, keep your head up. And we'll see you on the next video. Peace. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. This is my first time back in the garden since I got back from Jersey. As you can see, we got the dragon fruits popping. Look at that. Fell right off. Look at that. Fell right off. These were the late flowers. I knew some of them wasn't gonna make it. But we got these right here. Sugar dragons, they made it. Look at this. This is a Laverne pink. It made it. All right, let's swing around this side. See what's going on here. We got some pomegranates ready to be harvested. Yeah. So I'll probably come out here, do some harvesting. Look at this, guys. This one is the one that has the bugs on the inside. That's my decoy. So I'm gonna harvest all of these. Ooh, shit. Oh, my bad. Yep, look like they got to this too. All right. So I'm just gonna harvest this and all these fruits over here. That's on this one right here. Whoa. What do we have here? We got some Venus. Oh yeah, I'm gonna harvest up all of those right there. Got some Mr. Wu. Got some Venuses down there. Oh, those are Mr. Wu's. Got some Mr. Wu's, so I'm gonna harvest. Oh, we got a little Isis yellow back there. All right. So I'm gonna harvest these up, and then we'll go from there. Maybe I'll make some dragon fruit lemonade. All right, guys, so that's it. It's the last of the season. For the dragon fruits, it's probably be my last major harvest right here. So excited. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one. Cali Bro J. I'll see you on the next video. Peace. Also, I forgot to mention my onions harvested from the grocery store.